Hello guys, today I'd like to show you this 2010 Mini Cooper S convertible Laurel Sport Special Edition. This car is a limited edition that only 100 of this are made for the United States market, so it's kind of very rare. The special about this car is that the front and rear bumper and the side skirt come from the John Cooper's work, so it gives a more sportier look. The wheels are special made for this car. They're gloss black in the center and polished aluminum on the edge. The mirror cover also special to this car. It's gloss black. The front end of the car looks more aggressive. It comes standard with the driving lamp, and the lower portion has a big inlet for the intercooler. The side skirt looks really neat, especially the rear vent right here. This is exactly the same on the John Cooper's work. The car has unique stripes to this car. There's a large logo on each side, look like this. The rear bumper looks exactly like the John Cooper's work with dual exhaust tips. The interior of this car also has some special touches unique to this car. For example, the door seals. The interior trim has this checker flag graphic on them, so it looks much more sportier. There's an extra gauge on this particular car. I think it's record hours, just like a watch. So it's pretty interesting. There's no navigation for this particular car. This car comes standard with 6-speed manual gearbox. It has a 1.6 liter turbo engine, produces about 172 horsepower. Let me open the engine to show you. As you can see, the turbo is right here. It's pretty small, but it helps. Now let me show you how to open the convertible top. First, we start up the car. The convertible switch is on the ceiling of the car. The first stage, it opens just like this, like a sunroof. From there, if you keep pressing on it, the entire soft top will drop down. With the soft top down, the car looks much prettier. The soft top itself doesn't go into the trunk, so even with the top down, you still get some space in there. This tailgate flips down and you can put 80 kilograms on top, so maybe you can sit on top. Now follow me, let's go do a test drive.